All right. Welcome back again to this video tutorial on how you can make use of Firstdevab to start your VTU platform. So fine. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can be able to add features to your website. After which you have designed your landing page, you have configured your platform, then you need to definitely add features to your platform. So doing this, that is where plugins comes to play. So now we are going to be making use. We're going to play around the plugins. What can the plugins do? So what is the plugin capable of doing? So in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about that. So now just click on your toggle menu bar. Let's see what's there. So in this toggle menu bar, we have this particular menu that says plugins. Let's click on it. This plugin, it has two very options. So the first option is add plugin. Second option is plugin settings. This add plugin is meant for adding new plugin. If you want to add a new plugin or you want to make use of a particular feature, mind you, you can only add features to your platform on Firstdevab by making use of plugin. So without plugin, you cannot add anything, you cannot customize, you cannot add feature to your Firstdevab VTU website. So that's the reason why plugin is very, very important, and that's why we're going to be emphasizing on this particular tutorial so that you will understand on how what your Firstdevab website can do and what you can do to it. So mind you also, this particular Firstdevab is we have you have we can you can your developer can customize a plugin for you so that but before it can be approved, before it can you can start using it, it has to to go through dev team. But that's not where we're going to that's not what we're going to be talking about in this video tutorial. So this tutorial is all about we teaching you on how you can make use of the available plugins, on how you can you can make use of it to achieve what you need to achieve. So first, let us check the plugins that we have already we know in this video what the plugins that I've already installed. For you to check that, go to plugin settings. Okay, now so yeah, in this plugin settings, I only have MK default installed. MK default is a must plugin for everyone that will be using Firstdevab because it is a default plugin that has features, that has a inbuilt features for Firstdevab website. So you need definitely need to install it. If you don't install MK default, that simply means that you will not be able to have access to you not be able to make use of our inbuilt features for your website. So it's very important for you to install our MK default. So now after you've seen, after installing the MK default, just swipe your screen to the right hand side like this. So then you're going to see manage. So manage MK. Okay, so good. So which this is manage MK default. You can see welcome to MK default plugin version 1.0. Using this plugin, you must have a standard team running. So that's that. So now this MK default plugin has about 5 tabs. The first tab in this is the introduction, in which you can read through to know what this plugin is all about. Then you also have pricing setup. This is the pricing setup. That is you making use of MK default plugin. MK default plugins comes along with manual uh VTU platform vending. That is, if for you, without making your uses of without making use of any external plugin, or maybe you're not maybe any vendor plugin, as long as you install MK default, MK default gives you the ability to sell to sell your data, to sell your airtime, to sell your to sell your, what's it called, electricity, to sell your cable subscription, to sell your utility subscription. But it will only be on manual, a manual method, such as a manual method, in the essence that is, if after you using makeup default, your customers will only be able to, to submit, to place an order. Then you are going to receive notification of the order. Then you can now, go ahead to process the particular transaction, after which you have received the order through your email address. That is manual system. So MK default comes with manual system. So if you don't want to use you don't want to use a manual system for your for your utility platform, then you can disable that feature. But if you want to make use of manual, then you can leave it as it is. Then if you want to make use of manual, the MK default manual of vendor system, then it's very important for you to import. Just click on import price set template. Yeah, import price template successfully imported. So click OK. So we have already imported all prices, for our manual vending system. So now after that, then click on general setup. These are general setup. Yeah, this, click on the tab general setup. This this notification means that, for anybody that tries to for anyone that tries to so dude, no, this notification is, as I've said, is, if you can enable it. Yeah, you can also, you can disable it, you can also enable it. But it's important that you enable it, so that for you to receive a notification if anyone places an order, especially if you are using the manual vending system. So if anyone places an order, for instance, now maybe someone want to buy 1 gig data, so you're going to receive a notification, to your email address, that okay, this particular person want to buy data. So you can quickly send the order, or process the transaction. So pages, this one also, you need to, if you toggle, you can toggle it off, you can toggle it on. So if you want to enable different pages, like about us page, contact us page, and all that, you need to toggle it on. So if you want to make it of support, for your, or you want to enable support system on your website, you also need to toggle the support on. So same thing goes for wallet. So this particular, we also have a feature of wallet transfer feature. What this wallet transfer feature is all about is, if you want your customers to be able to transfer money from each other, from one account to another, so your customers will be able to transfer money within themselves. So if you want to enable that feature, if you like that feature, so all you need to do is just to, you need to enable this feature. But this feature is not free. It's just 700 naira. So the payment system, so this, if you want to receive payments, if you don't want to, you don't want to offer any free service, you want people to, to pay to you before they can start, or to fund their wallets, to fund the wallet before they can start, buying from your website. You need to toggle this on. It is already toggled on. So then the next thing is bank details. So this is where you need to set your bank account details. It's very important, because this, whenever your customer want to fund their wallet, when they click on fund wallet, they are going to see your bank details. This is where this the particular account in which they are going to pay into. So here you're going to just put account number. You put your account number, blah, 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 sample, put it there. Then account name, account name, you can put whatever you want to put there. Then the bank name, you put it there as well. So that's all. So that's all for that. And also, if you want to, if you want to add auto payment system, if you want to add auto payment system like paystack, maybe you want your customer to be paying via card, so you need to toggle this particular feature on. But as at now, the feature for you to make use of card for customer to be able to fund their wallet using their card is not actually free. So you're going to pay some of 1,000 naira for you to activate that particular feature. So that is by the way. So this after that, you after immediately after you've configured, you've made the payments, you're going to sign up on paystack.com. Then you submit the documents you want to submit. Then you'll be given public key and secret key. Then just copy out the public key, paste it here. Just clear out this, paste it here. Then also uh your secret key too, clear out this, paste it here. That is all. So also user system. If you want people to, you want your customer to be able to, you want a system whereby user will be able to register on your platform. So you need to toggle this on, you need to toggle it on. So it's very important to toggle it on. So this is the referral system. Maybe you want to enable referral system on your platform, such as maybe your customer will be able to refer people, bring people to your sites, and then any commission. If you like that feature, you need to enable it here. Just toggle it on. It's not free. It's 500 naira. You need to activate that with 500 naira. Then you need, after you've already activated this particular feature, you can set referral bonus. Referral bonus, set it here. Very important. Member plan. If you want to enable member plan, like maybe for instance now, you want your customer, you have different plan for your customer. You have a reseller, you have end user, you have API users, you have different set category of users. So that's member plan. You need to pay 800 naira to, to enable, to activate the particular feature. So then this particular SMS email, so you need to toggle it on. So this simply means that if you toggle it off, it means you will not be able to receive message to your email as a notification. So if anyone place order on your platform, you will not be able to receive it on your email if it is toggled off. So you need to, you need to toggle it on. So this particular API auto, this is just for is for just for